Hi, today I'm going to be reviewing the at-home facial kit by SkinQ, which is by Dr. Chaitra Anand, based in Bangalore. It is a 5-step facial kit to be done at home. I'm going to take you through each one of the 5 steps, how I apply each one of the products, whether it's an upward stroke or whether it's circular motion, as well as how long I leave each one on for, and what the results are going to be. I'm excited to see, so let's start. The 5-step process to beautiful, healthy skin comes in this beauty box neatly packaged for you. The 5 steps are micellar water, followed by the exfoliator, and then the massage butter, which is basically a cream. After that, it's the pre-mask serum, and lastly, the mask. Step 1 is the micellar water. Take it onto a round cotton ball and wipe your face of all dirt and grime. Step 2 is the exfoliator. Exfoliation is a very important part of the facial. Rub this amount onto your face in circular motions. Keep rubbing it for 2 minutes, and once you are done rubbing it all over your face and neck in circular motions, leave it on for 10 minutes. Once you're done with the exfoliator and left it on for 10 minutes, rinse it off with water and apply the massage butter onto your face. This has to be applied in upward directions all over your face. Don't forget your eyelids and your neck. Once you keep massaging this on until it's completely absorbed into the skin, would take about 5 minutes, and then leave it on for 10 minutes. Once you're done with the face butter stage and you've left it on for 10 minutes, apply the serum all over your face in a nice, thick, generous coat. Massage it in well and leave this on as well for 10 minutes. Serum is the most hydrating step of a facial, so you must never skip this. Step 5 is the sheet mask. This is the final step, and it goes over the previous 2 products on your face, which is the face butter and on top of that the serum. Take the powder in the sachet, mix it in a bowl of water, making a paste. Apply it all over your face the way I am doing, using a flat brush. Leave out no space on your face. Apply it all over, covering your entire skin thoroughly. So now I'm done with the at-home facial. As you can see, it's so fresh, squeaky clean, soft to the touch. Skin is brimming with health. That's just the best 1 hour that I just spent. But what I am going to do is I'm going to finish it off with the Hydrate elixir, which I posted about in the past, from SkinQ. So that's it. I have just completed the last step as well, which is of course an additional step from the 5-step process of the at-home facial kit. This is the Hydrate elixir, which I'm using every night, and I'm ready for bedtime. Please try this kit out. It really does.